Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and tonight I am going to do another vlog. It's my unboxing video. It's been a long time coming. I didn't have much time to do unboxing, but tonight well, I'm in the mood, so let's go check it out. Hey everyone, as promised, I am going to do unboxing video for my new Louis Vuitton bag. Like I said, it's been a long time coming. This is actually a gift from my dad for my birthday, but as you can see, it's still intact. I did not open it because I just love to see it this way. So I believe tonight is a perfect night. I'm in the mood to open my Louis Vuitton bag. So yeah, let's take a look on what is in store for us. Oh. Well, hopefully there's no dent, there's no flaws of the bag. So just to give you a little background, so during my birthday we went to Vegas, and so one of my goal there is to find Speedy 25B because it's like almost out of stock here in California. So I tried my best to find the bag there. So we went to Caesar's Palace first, but they said there's no stock, so I was disappointed. But the SA told me, hey, there is one available bag in Wynn Hotel. So I was happy. So right away we went there as fast as we can so that nobody would buy the bag. So yeah, we're able to purchase the bag. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look. By the way, thank you, Dad. Well, half of it is his and half of this is mine because it's kind of, you know, Louis Vuitton bag is kind of pricey. So yeah, okay, so let's take a look. Are you ready? Oh my God, see, I did not touch it. It's perfectly inside the box with the blue ribbon, as you can see. Are you ready?
Yeah. I don't have the good attachments.
Oh my goodness. I really don't like seeing it not in perfect ribbon because I don't want to put it back as nice as they can. So I might be needing some tutorial on Facebook.
That was the wrong
Zeus,
ticket.
I'm doing my video. Okay. Well, that's my son. He likes to play video games. It's summer, so hey, enjoy. Well, so this is the box. It's a very big rectangular box, and I like the orange box. I'm so nervous opening this one. Hopefully it's nice, it's perfect. Okay, so I'll do the honor. Yay, that's the bag. Wow, I'm so nervous. Hopefully everything is good. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Let's close the bag. Okay. You see it? This is the dust bag. Let's open. Oh my goodness! Look at that! It's flat, like a pancake. This is the Speedy 25. You guys, don't be surprised if it's flat. It's really not designed to be sturdy. It's actually Speedy Bandouliere 25 is a travel bag. It's specifically designed for travelers, so you can easily fold it, and it's not like the doctor's bag that you see from other brands like Coach, where there's this lining that is very sturdy and you cannot fold it. But this one is foldable, so you can just easily put it inside your luggages if you wanted to, So just to let you know. Oh my god. Oh, I'm falling in love with Louis Vuitton again. You know, it's been a few months I did not buy Louis Vuitton because I believe that around January, December I've been buying Louis Vuitton, so I took a break, but when I see this, I'm falling in love again. So yeah, let's fix it first. Okay, let's take a look if there are dents, scratches. You will be my police, Louis Vuitton police. Okay, so this is Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Bandouliere, and okay, it comes with the rolled leather handles and in monogram canvas. Okay, as you see, this is like a double zip pocket, and it measures, I believe, 9.8 in length, 7.5 in height, if I remember it correctly, and also the width would be around 5 point something inches. So yeah, and let's open. Okay, hold on. And what you see inside are the straps. It comes with adjustable straps like this. It drops around 18 something inches, and it's adjustable up to 21 inches, so you can just easily take it out and put it like a shoulder bag, or you can, you know, if you want it long, you can put it like a crossbody bag if you are traveling. So let's connect. It comes with a gold hardware, so it's very, very nice. I like gold. I don't know, it's my element, gold element, according to the feng shui master that I spoke with when I was in Taiwan. Okay, look, yeah, just like that. So let me fix it first, okay? Just stand by. Okay, so take a look inside. You see there's a flat pocket inside.
What do you mean by that?
You can store your mini wallet if you wanted to, or your keys. Okay, and it comes also with a golden padlock. There you go. Yeah, it's the Louis Vuitton padlock with a key, but I'm not gonna show the key because it has a unique code only for the owner.
You're gonna get lasered off there.
Yay! And let me see. So this is the tags for Speedy 25 Bandouliere, if you pronounce it in French, and Bandouliere if you pronounce it in American English, and Bandouliere if you will pronounce it in British accent. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. All right, there you go. So you can actually lock it. You can put the keys and padlocks inside the pocket and put it this way. It's very spacious inside.
Yes.
Well, I like Speedy 25 because I'm not that tall, so I just wanted a smaller bag for travel. Okay, where I can store my passport. No. I can store my notebooks, my report cards, or whatever I want. Important documents when you're traveling, so it would be easy for you to get it out and you don't need to go inside your luggages. Okay, or you can put your hamburger here or your pizza if you're hungry. Yeah, why not? Well, I've seen from other videos that ladies are buying some linings to protect the inside fabric of this bag. Okay, so yeah, we can do that. Look, and let me see. Is this made in France? Where is it?
Hey, he's coming. I feel him coming.
Oh my god, I'm so happy it's made in Paris. Well, you know, if it's made in Paris or made in France, well, this originated there, so they said if it's of a good quality.
Yeah.
But you know, anything as long as it's authentic Louis Vuitton, so I'll take it.
What?
And it comes in a chip, microchips. So if you want to test the authenticity, the SA can, you can go to Louis Vuitton store and have the SA scan it. All right. Oh, I'm so happy. Look. Tin, tin, tin. Tin, tin, tin. All right. And what is inside? Oh, I forgot. So this is my receipt. Let me see, how much is it? Oh, I'll not tell you. It's the client copy, and I wouldn't show you my card, but I'll just show you the price. Okay, there you go. 1,800. It retails 1,831 and 54 cents. And if you want to visit the Wynn Hotel, Las Vegas Wynn Hotel, it's located in 3131 Las Vegas Boulevard, south of Las Vegas. And you can contact Jessica. She's actually my client advisor. So yeah, they're pretty good there. They're very nice, good customer service. I was well entertained, and she gave me some perfume. I believe she gave me 2 samples, Louis Vuitton samples. I've been collecting this one because my mom would always tell me, okay, give me all your samples. I said, okay, no worries, it's all for her. Yeah, so you guys, I'm so happy with my new Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Bandouliere. Definitely I'll be saving more to buy more Louis Vuitton. I like to have a monogram canvas collection. It's very classic, so I'm concentrating having a monogram. But damier is also good, so I don't have any problem with that. Okay, so I believe that's it. Sorry, my son is so noisy. Zeus. All right, so I can't concentrate. He's playing, I don't know. Well, when I was in college, I loved playing video games, but now I'm so tired of it. So I graduated from playing video games. Okay, well, thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube channel. Okay, and please do subscribe so that it's a motivation for me to create more videos. Okay, thank you. Mwah.